Another day, another English lesson. Possession with have got, own, and belong to. When we want to say that something is ours, English gives us several verbs. The most common besides have are have got, own, and belong to. They are all connected with possession, but they are not used in exactly the same way. Let's look at how they work. 1. Have got. This is a common way to talk about things you have. It is used in American English but is even more common in British English. It is informal and friendly. You can use it for objects, family relationships, and characteristics. Examples. I have got a new bag. She has got 2 brothers. We have got a problem. 2. Own. This verb is about ownership, usually for things like property, businesses, or other items that legally or clearly belong to someone. It is not used for relationships or qualities. Examples. They own a restaurant. My aunt owns 3 cars. 3. Belong to. This verb works in the opposite direction. Instead of saying who has something, it shows that an item is connected to its owner. It is often used when we want to identify the owner of something. Examples. This book belongs to Maria. Who does this pen belong to? Quick comparison. Have got is used for casual possession. I've got a bike. Own is used for legal or official ownership. He owns 2 houses. Belong to shows the relationship from the object's side. The houses belong to him. Now, complete the sentences with the correct form of have got, own, or belong to. 1. She has got a terrible cold. 2. The word selfie belongs to everyday informal English. 3. To own a dog without a license is illegal in the U.S. 4. France belongs to the NATO alliance. 5. We have got a serious problem with the office printer. 6. The lion belongs to the cat family. 7. I have got 2 sisters. 8. Only citizens may own land in this region. 9. Nobody owns the air, so we can all breathe it for free. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos in the future. See you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.